Greenlight BnB Turnarounds is Southwest Florida's go-to choice for dependable vacation rental turnovers that get properties guest-ready in no time. Our service area includes Sanibel, Captiva, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, and Naples, where we support property owners throughout the coastal region. When you work with us, you get immaculate cleanings, fresh linens, sanitized bathrooms, and a presentation that matches luxury hotel standards. We provide light maintenance services inside and outside your property, and your guests will appreciate the quality. We handle every turnover with precision and care. Our commitment to meticulous attention, reliable performance, and consistent processes means you can trust us completely between each guest arrival. Scheduling your turnover is easy. Head to greenlightturnovers.com or call 239-246-7642 to book your service. Greenlight BnB makes sure your property has the finest maintenance service and shines for every single guest, every single time. Looking for fast and trustworthy vacation rental turnovers? Greenlight BnB provides pristine cleanings, fresh linens, and premium hospitality level results and will take care of any small and light duty needs. Schedule your next turnover at greenlightturnovers.com today.